In this video, we are going to look at the last part of our multiplication progression, the 3, 6, 7 facts. This one is a bit different because students are encouraged to really use what they already know in order to eliminate as many of the facts as possible before they start practicing new strategies. So this is dependent on students really understanding that when we flip the order of a multiplication question, so 8 times 4 and 4 times 8, the products are equal or the same. This is a property that's the same with multiplication and addition, but doesn't work with subtraction or division. So by looking at our 3, 6, 7 facts this way, what students will notice is that there are a large chunk of the facts that they can eliminate based on their practice with the 2, 4, and 8 facts. Moving on, they can keep looking at the multiplication facts, and what they'll recognize is that they can eliminate even more facts by using what they already know about the 5, 9, and 10 facts. And from here, what students will notice is there really are only 9 new facts that students need to work with. So in this case, we're going to start with 3 times 3. And we're going to encourage students to really use what they know about 2 times 3. So if we know that 2 groups of 3 is 6, which students should already know from their 2 times table, then what they want to recognize is what will happen when we add one group of 3. So if 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 3 has to be 9. From there, they can start working with 3 times 6. So if we remember our strategy from the 2, 4, 8 facts, if 3 times 3 is equal to 9, then 3 times 6 must be the double, which is 18. Moving to 3 times 7 now, students can use what they know about 3 times 6, which is 18. So if 6 groups of 3 is 18, students can ask themselves, what will be 7 groups of 3? And this strategy is really similar to the one we used to find 3 times 3. So 18 plus 3 is 21. Now a really fun thing happens here. Because we've already worked with 3 times 6, we can eliminate 6 times 3 and move on directly to 6 times 6. So here again, students are encouraged to use what they know about 3 times 6, which is 18, and recognize that 6 times 6 will represent the double because 6 is the double of 3. So 6 times 6 then must be 36. Using a similar strategy, students can use what they know about the product of 3 and 7, which is 21, in order to practice the product of 6 times 7. So because 6 is the double of 3, 6 times 7 must also be the double of 21. Now we can eliminate a few again. Because we've already worked with 3 times 7, we can eliminate 7 times 3. And because we've already worked with 6 times 7, we can eliminate 7 times 6 because they'll have the same product. And what we have left is 7 times 7. Now students are definitely able to use what they know about 6 groups of 7 in order to practice 7 groups of 7. So here we would have to add 7 to 42. But students usually find that 7 times 7, for some reason, is really easy to remember. So by keeping our 3, 6, and 7 facts to the very end, Students can use what they know about the 2, 4, 8, and 5, 9, 10 facts to eliminate everything except 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 remaining facts. So here students are really looking to reinforce everything they've already learned and add a few new pieces of important knowledge to their multiplication skills. As always, you can find practice materials on my website. Thanks for watching.